Hey guys, this is my edible wood floor for the base of our pumpkin cake. It's done with fondant, so you can peel it off after you've taken the cake and eaten all the cake. You can actually just peel this off and eat it. And we're gonna show you step by step how to do it. This one I did kind of beat up and really, really rustic, a lot of different earth tones, dark wood. I wanted it not classic, pretty. I wanted it more old, crickety, so it kind of like talks loud to you. So what that is, I just used all gel color, and you're gonna see in the steps, but I used some black, brown, ivory, yellow, and I just mix it up, and I use vodka or grain alcohol. You can, if you don't wanna use that, it does evaporate, but if you don't wanna use that, you can also use lemon juice. And after we make our little grains, we just you can just go crazy on it. There's no right or wrong reason. You can't screw it up. For me, for this look for Halloween, I wanted it to look this way, but for something maybe for a wedding backdrop, it would be maybe like a white with a hue of gray, and it could look more elegant. This one, that's not what we're going for.